In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Google Gemini app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install this app but you are encountering this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Should you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open your Android smartphone and go to Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you search for your app. However, if you are already logged in but you are unable, then tap on your profile icon here, enter your account, and then scroll down to settings. Now, under settings, look for this option called network preferences. And if you tap under it, you can see we have quite a number of options. We are interested in app download preference. Tap on this and change this from over Wi-Fi only or any of this to this first option over any network. By doing this will ensure that you are able to download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. Save the changes by tapping on OK. Then turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi and try to install your app. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, if you still have a challenge, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. And for that, we need to access its app info page. And you can do this by going to settings or just long pressing on it, and you should see app info. Now, depending on your smartphone, you might be missing this. If this is missing, you should see a settings gear next to it, or even the name of the app. Just tap on it to access Play Store app info page. Here we want to clear the app data from down here. If I just take you to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Google Play Store. And of importance is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Play Store app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But sometimes when these files accumulate, they might cause Play Store to malfunction. So to fix this, go down to clear data and then choose clear cache and finally OK. Here now, restart your smartphone and go to your Play Store again, search for Gemini, and I'll run the search here. And now if I try to install, we should be able to install our app without any issue. And as you can see, it is now being installed after the download. So this has fixed that. However, if you can't still download, then you might want to free up space on your phone and try downloading the app again. So that's how you can't install Google Gemini AI app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.